friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and I am back with another Stitch Fix unboxing and try-on haul video for you. This is my second box from Stitch Fix, so I am new to this whole Stitch Fix thing, but I am totally hooked. Check out this video from my last Stitch Fix box. I got some cute stuff in there, but the feedback you guys gave me was that maybe it wasn't really a good fall box and my stylist might need some notes. So I definitely wrote to my stylist and said, those fashions were a little bit too young for me personally. I'm 44. I don't feel comfortable in too much distressing on jeans, rips and holes, or crop tops or things like that. I let her know again that I'm a boho girl. I'm from Northern California. I love embroidery and crochet and lightweight linen. And could she please maybe put some of those in the box and maybe some better brands like Free People or Madewell. This top I have on now is a Madewell embroidered top. I got it from my generous sister Aaliyah and I love it. Here's my plan in the video. I'm going to open the box and show you the items. You'll get kind of my first reaction of the items. Then I'm going to try them all on and talk about how the fit is, what we like about it, maybe what we don't like, and then I'm going to look at the prices. I wait to look at the prices until the end because I don't want the price to color whether I really want the item or not. So that's what we're gonna do. If you happen to be new here, welcome. I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller, so you see a lot of unboxing videos from ThredUp and from wholesale companies and Stitch Fix on my channel. And friends, did you know that you can try Stitch Fix totally free? I have a link in my description and it gives you a $25 credit. That's how I got into Stitch Fix. I used my friend Kelly from Kelly Schaffner. Hey Kelly! I used her link and it gave me 25 bucks credit. So, I mean, there's no commitment. Like, you can choose to just do one box, use your $25 credit towards an item and then cancel. Or if you like it, if you like trying new styles and things and it's really fun, then you can keep going with it. So definitely check out that link. It's a free 25 bucks. So the jeans that I chose from my last Stitch Fix haul, I got them for like half price because they were $58. I had a $25 credit, so it ended up being like $38. It's free money for fashion. So definitely consider clicking that link and giving it a try, even if it's only just once. This is all the stuff they send you. This is so whatever you don't want back, you send back in a few days. If you're curious about Stitch Fix, you guys, I put all the information in my description section. If you're wondering, like, how does it really work? All that is in the description section, so I don't have to go over it. And they give you some notes about maybe how to style the items and then the price sheet, so I'm setting those aside. Okay, here we go. So I see something that looks like a sweater there, and these colors are exactly what I'm looking for. They have a Madewell sweater that I have my eye on, but it's $88, and that's a little expensive. You should know about me right off the bat, you guys, just to be honest. I'm a thrifter. I'm a thrift store shopper, so it's hard for me to pay retail prices, but I'm doing this now because it's a time in my life where I need to do a little kind of like gift for myself. I live in Northern California. We're struggling with the fires again. It's been COVID, we've been quarantining, I'm social distancing, and my 9-year-old son, Torvald, who makes the cutest clips for my videos, I'll put one in here.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit it, punch it.
So if there was ever a time, ladies, to try something like this, I'm like, I'm gonna treat myself now. So let's see what we have. I might have to look at that sweater first right away, you guys. Oh my God, it's so soft. I'm wondering if it's the Madewell sweater. I liked this on my profile. So another fun thing about Stitch Fix is you get to go in and take these style quizzes and you know, give your stylist, pin things that you think describe your style so she can do the best with the box. And I pinned this sweater. And this is the Madewell Millie 2 pocket cardigan. You guys, it's so soft and I love this colorway. I know this is probably gonna be expensive, but I'm gonna try this on. She sent me a medium and it is oversized. So when I looked at this, when I was looking at it, it looked like it said oversized, and the material on this, it has pockets too, you guys. I'm in love with it. It's so soft. It must be the lightest wool. Something called polymide and merino wool. Oh, so I'm gonna set that aside and I'm going to try it on.
Subscribe.
remember to subscribe to the channel. My son Torvald is so good at reminding us.
Let's see if we can get 118 likes on this video.
You know, everyone needs a marketer, and he's mine. This is Sanctuary. It's the Mayari tie sleeve linen knit top and linen. So I did write them a note and said, please better brands, please embroidery, please linen, because I live in Northern California and it does get cold here at night. We do have seasons. It's not like Southern California down in LA, but oftentimes like a lightweight, oh, this is cute. So it's just a lightweight green sweater, and then this must be, so it looks like on the sleeve there's a little tie, and it's a 3/4 sleeve. I like the color. I like the weight. It's a size medium. And on Stitch Fix you tell them like what your sizes are, you know, and you can give a lot of detail. So I'm a size 10, 12. I'm usually like a 10, but during this whole quarantine, a few of us have gained a few pounds. So I let them know that. The thing, I be honest, that I don't really love here is, see the trim? It has like a little chiffon trim sticking out, so it looks like layered, and I don't know if I like that detail personally. Okay, this next item, I'm not, John Paul Richard, size medium. I feel like I've seen that out. It's really great because I'm learning what the Stitch Fix brands are, and if you are like me and you're a thrift store shopper, I've seen a lot of these brands out and I didn't know they were carried by Stitch Fix. If you get something from Stitch Fix and then you wear it a little bit and you're over it, you can resell it. The resale value on like eBay, Poshmark, Mercari is really good on these things. This is cute. Let's see. It's like a tunic top. It's got embroidery lace on the top. It has a little bit of a bell sleeve with an elastic. I like the lace trim. This is called the Raylen Crochet Detail Top from John Paul Richard. This might fit well. And already, you guys, definitely go check out that last video. Already, I feel like my stylist, I got some great colors. I got a sweater that I had pinned, and some crochet and lace. So I already feel like this stylist is maybe listening to my requests a little bit more. This is a nice print on this one. Look at that. This feels silky. Leserein, I don't know this brand, Leserein. These are all size mediums. Now I am a curvy 10-12, so I have a large chest, a large bottom, like I'm like a cartoon. So it's like I sometimes do large, sometimes medium. It depends on the brand and style. This is really sweet. I like the feel of this. It's polyester, but it feels like silk, I bet. Kind of a long tunic. Now the colors are fall, wouldn't you guys say? Like the rust and the brown and the blue, but I want to see the back. It's got a nice detail in the back. This might look really nice on, but a lightweight top like this, I don't necessarily think fall. Now another pair of jeans. Now the last pair of jeans I got in the video, I ended up keeping surprisingly because I told them on my style notes, I don't do like seriously destroyed jeans. It's not for me. But the jeans they sent me were the best fit. They were so comfortable, soft, and stretchy, so I did keep them. I'll pop a picture in here. And so I'm curious what these jeans are going to be. These are Marvi Tess High Rise Skinny. Mavi, I'm sorry you guys, M-A-V-I Tess Skinny Jean Indigo size 10. So they're a high rise, super soft and stretchy, and not a lot of distress. Now I am kind of in between like a 30 and a 31, so we'll have to see if these fit, but they feel good and they look good. I wonder if they're gonna be kind of expensive. They say super soft. So now what we're gonna do is try these things on. Okay, so here's that Madewell cardigan. I really love it. I love the colors, and it's super soft. It has pockets. I would say this is oversized because this is a medium, so I think I could go with a small or medium on this piece. And this is the Sanctuary brand lightweight linen top. I like how light it is. I would probably go up a size if I were to keep this, and it is pretty sheer. See how you can kind of see the bra a little bit? I wouldn't wear that particular bra with this. I really love the sleeve detail. I love the fall colors on this tassel tunic. And I really like the fit. I like the length. I like the way it fits. I'm not sure about the fact that it's so sheer. I would have to wear a tank underneath, and then since we are going into fall and winter, I would have to layer a cardigan or something over it. I just love the length though. See how that drapes well? Okay, now we have the black top, and the crochet is so cool on this piece, but it does show the skin through, so again, I'd have to put a tank under. I like the fit, I like the length. What do you guys think of this one? It is going to show a bra strap because it's sheer there on the top, but look at the upper back of this. It's just so pretty if you had your hair up. And I like the fit. It's loose enough, it hangs well. Okay, and then we have these jeans, which are just too tight on me. I would need a size 12. I love the material. They do feel really good, you guys. The fabric is super soft, and I like the wash, but look at it, it's like I can barely button them up. So yes, I would have to go down a size, but I like the jeans. Okay, friends, so now for the hard part. We've got to look at our prices and see how we did. Here's a little note for her. Laurel is her name. So cute. I think she did a pretty good job. Okay, so the total of my box, the entire box, is $312. That's for 5 items, so I think that's kind of pricey for this. If you buy everything though, you get a 25% off discount, so that's huge. So you get $78 off. So if I bought everything, which I could be tempted to do, my total would be $234. What do you guys think? Let's go over the different things. We know that I love this Madewell sweater, and this Madewell sweater, Millie 2-pocket cardigan in tan, size medium, is $88. That's a lot, and I love it. I'm probably gonna keep this sweater, but let me know what you guys think. The next one we saw was this Sanctuary Lightweight. What did you guys think of the fit and everything on this? I like it. I like the style. I like the lightweight. It's so sheer. It's really sheer. It didn't look so great with what I had on. This one is $54, so that's, again, kind of a pricey piece. And then we have this beautiful fall colored floral tunic top by I don't know how to say this. Do you guys? S-E-R-E-I-N. The tassel detail blouse in black, size medium, $38. So that's a reasonably priced item, I think. And I like it. Again, it was really sheer, so I'd have to pair it with like a long tank or something underneath. I love the colors. I think the fit was good. This is the John Paul Richard size medium. And in black, $44 for this one. Again, this one would be really tricky. You'd have to have like a black, it's see-through. It's see-through in a lot of ways, but I like the fit on this. It wasn't too fitted or anything. And lastly, these jeans, total fail. I mean, I could not even button them up. I'm gonna have to really edit that piece where I show you trying on because it was not good. Sorry, but these jeans, the Mavi Test Skinny Jean in Indigo size 10 are $88. So that seems expensive to me. This is the brand Mavi there. That's a pricey pair of jeans. Now I could ask for these jeans in like a size 12 and see how I did. They're soft, they have a great high rise, but there's nothing really special. I did ask for embroidered jeans, and I pinned a bunch of embroidered jeans, so I might hold out and spend my $88 on jeans for like a heavily embroidered pair. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. At this moment, I'm leaning towards definitely the Madewell Cardigan, and I'm gonna think about the blouses, but I need your help. It's really helpful to hear from you guys about what you think. What do you think of the price, the fit? Which one would you keep if you were me? I have a few days to decide, so let me know. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video when you close the window, and make sure you're subscribed so you know when my next Stitch Fix box comes out. Bye friends, thanks.